We're shaving the coconut. Can we do this again?
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
I've just realised there's the pepper in here that will do this.
I've got hairy bits in my mouth.
Steady.
Is this a Saturday morning thing with you two?
No, I just remember there should be a pointy thing in here somewhere that'll speed it.
I'm not sure the liquid from the coconut actually tastes like coconut.
It tastes absolutely
coconut.
It just tastes, I think it just tastes earthy.
As nice as this very nice wine.
Yes, that's right. So, you want to hold the bottle up for me?
We have the
This
wine
is-
of Madame de Pompadour.
Yes. We have that Chateau Pompadour, and it is an excellent wine.
A very nice vintage.
Madame de Pompadour, who was a courtesan and major buyer of Louis the...
Whichever. Louis the... Is it Louis the 15th? No.
Must have been the 14th. It was the
Louis the 14th.
Sun King?
The Sun King, yeah, if it was the
Oh,
Sun
that's
King.
14th,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's Louis the 14th. Yeah, so we've had it with a lovely meal.
Well, it sounds like Joe's just destroying the coconut. He's drilling it. That's drilling the hole.
Just
George
rotate
drilling the
the
coconut.
bottle so we
Rotate it so you've
can...
got the other label.
The other label.
He's chilling it.
There we go. Yes.
You will note that this ginormous bottle is now empty to this point, which we'll blame on her.
Very,
On
very,
a, bien, on a
very
très
nice.
bien bu. C'est un vin qui est formidable.
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 We'll see what he's doing to this.
Mais on a dit que c'est le meilleur vin qu'elle a jamais goûté.
You used a drill on that. We heard it.
C'est un vin qui est costaud, avec le goût des vignes en automne et la terre des vignes.
Coconut with drilled hole.
Oh,
I like that.
you like it?
Yeah, I like
Let
coconut.
Penny try it then.
Look at his tail. Oh, no, is that his? Oh, that's his head. Just flown off. Hey, Buster. You enjoying being out in the garden?
Oh, he's on there. He's coming again. There we go. You get it?
Yep. It's a quick one.
One minute left. Trying to move my hand, a green fly crawl at the back of it.
It's tickling.
Sugar, don't you? Come on then. That's fine. It's like it's not enough, isn't it? Does he fall
A little
asleep?
blackbird shape.
It's the sun.
Yeah.
The sun.
Yeah, I bet it's very, very warm in the sun there.
Oh, I think Dad's eating a few of his own for himself. He fed the kids first.
Maybe this one. But this one isn't even chirping. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, good.
He really perked up.
Look at this.
Arrived.
Yes, just arrived.
And Joe was sitting here in a nice sunny Sunday afternoon watching the birds.
That's the female chopping.
Your baskets are pretty.
Yeah.
We've still got an awful lot of work to do in the garden.
The male
That's the female. You can tell it's a female because it's got a tail feather on it. The male's lost his feathers.
Oh. Wow.
The blackbirds.
Mm. Yeah.
And then that rope comes down here. In fact,
Oh, I see. Okay, that's very clever.
Yes. That was Joe's idea.
It was either that or a tall ladder, huh?
Yes.
And then you got another one up there too.
yeah, that one we need a different type of method for getting it down. There's a couple up there. We've also got some seed on top of that little lean-to shed back there. Where's it going? Right.
Boy, that's a big one.
Is that all you want? No, it takes more than that. You're knocking them around now.
Spilled it.
Blackbird's going to have that one. He likes to stun them.
22 years.
Here. Stop giving grief.
Is this the one that was almost asleep before? Was it the fatter one?
I can't tell.
The bigger one?
You need to get in, mate.
Yeah.
Just stand
The
there.
one's getting all over the...
You can't be that hungry then.
Well, they're well fed. It's funny.
That's so well fed that we're running off.
So those little chicks will turn the
Into
same
that.
color as this
Well,
guy?
not necessarily. It depends whether they're male or female.
Oh, okay.
That's a male. The female is quite a dull brown. It's a similar colour to the chicks, actually. It's because they don't want to attract attention when they're on the nest that the females are often quite dull.
Oh, it's gone in the feeder.
Yeah, they usually
You must know I have a camera. Even the birds run away.
They usually have 3 chicks, and on a bad year when there's not really a huge amount of food, one of them probably won't survive. Because it's obviously first come, first served, and the chick that makes the most noise and opens its beak the widest gets all the food.
Right, well here we are. We've set aside, or we've laid out our little picnic. And it's an absolutely gorgeous day. So we're having a late alfresco lunch. The birds will have to wait.